Hi everyone, my name is Vinny from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for easy-to-use Excel tools designed to simplify your workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to use our quote generator using Rate Card tool, a powerful Excel-based tool that helps logistics and delivery businesses create accurate professional quotes in seconds. If you're tired of spending hours manually calculating delivery quotes, switching between apps and copy-pasting data, this quote generator is for you. For over 16 years, we have been creating Excel-based solutions that help businesses reduce errors, save time, and speed up daily operations. Over 7,500 companies from local couriers to large freight businesses rely on our tools every day. With more than 145-star Google reviews, our customers consistently tell us how much time they save using our solutions. These types of feedback are what motivate us to continue creating these solutions. The quote generator using Rate Card works directly in Excel with no extra software needed. First, set up your rate card by opening the rate card sheet and entering your per mile rates and the number of vehicles used per trip. This becomes your base pricing structure. Then move to the settings sheet where you can define vehicle types, set surcharges, add extra stop fees, and apply any percentage-based adjustments. You will also paste in your API key, which allows the tool to calculate mileage and drive time automatically. Next, go to the calculator sheet to generate your quote. Enter the origin and destination, choose the vehicle type, add the number of vehicles, and note if there is an extra stop. Click Calculate, and within seconds, the tool will fetch distances, apply rates and surcharges, and create a complete delivery quote accurately and instantly. You will be able to send professional, consistent quotes faster, minimize human error, and improve efficiency across your dispatch operations. You can download the Excel quote generator using Rate Card using the link in the description below. If you need help, you can reach us by phone, email, or live chat at www.exceldistancecalculators.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tools and automation tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy quoting.